Hey guys, today we are going to see how to use the break statement in a while loop. So let's say we have a while loop which is always true. While true, we do something. Let's say we receive a number from the user. Number is equal to input, let's say enter a number, or let's say we ask for age, enter your age. Okay, so we keep on asking for age until it is negative, as we know that age cannot be negative, so that if age is less than 0, we'll break from the loop and break we'll break out of the loop, and then if age is 0, we'll break out, and if it's not 0, we'll just print your age is and then age. And when we break out, what will happen is it will break out of the while loop, and after it is out of the while loop, let's print you entered a negative age. So let's run. Enter your age 45. Okay, oh yes, we have to convert this into int, and then we'll be fine. Okay, let's enter age 45. Your age is 45. Your age, that's 80. Your age is 80. 1000. Your age is 1000. And if we enter minus 25, you entered a negative age. So this is how the break statement works. It will get out of the loop when a condition is satisfied. So thanks for watching. Do comment if you have any questions. I will make sure I will make a video about it. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Keep coding, stay curious.